1950 Plymouth Deluxe, located in Wichita, valued at $12,000. Today, we're looking at a true piece of American history. In a world full of silent, self-driving EVs, this curvy classic brings back the pure, mechanical soul of the 1950s. Under the hood sits a 218 cubic inch, flathead inline-six, making about 97 horsepower, mated to a classic 3-speed manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. It gives you a buttery smooth ride, gorgeous chrome details, and a spacious cabin that feels more like a cozy retro lounge than a car. Back in 1950, this was the working man's hero, while the Ford Custom and Chevy Starline of the era were a bit flashier. The Plymouth was legendary for being completely bulletproof and over-engineered. So, is it worth your money in 2026? Absolutely. If you want an honest, easy-to-wrench-on classic that forces you to actually drive it's the ultimate Sunday cruiser. Would you take this flathead for a spin today? Let me know in the comments. 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, located in Arlington, NE, valued at $14,500. This isn't just a car. It's a heavyweight brawler in a tailored suit. Let's dive into the specs from this dealer listing out of Arlington, Nebraska, priced at a very reasonable $14,500. This two-door coupe is hiding a monster under the hood of 396 big block Chevy engine, and it gets better. It's paired with a highly desirable 4-speed Muncie manual transmission and a 12-bolt Posi-Track rear end with 3.31 gears, upgraded with a brawler carburetor and hay distributor. It runs and drives great. Visually, it's stunning in marina blue with a black vinyl top and bucket seats. Sure, it has an older repaint with some minor rust and bodywork showing, and the aftermarket AC isn't hooked up, but it's an honest, turnkey classic. Back in '66, the Caprice was Chevy's top-tier luxury model, built to compete with the plush Ford Limited and Plymouth VIP, but when you ordered it with a big block and a 4-speed, it transformed from a smooth Grand Tourer into a terrifying sleeper muscle car. Compared to the numb, screen-heavy luxury barges we commute in today, in 2026, this '66 Caprice feels refreshingly mechanical and aggressively loud. It isolates you in style, but connects you directly to the asphalt. So, is it worth $14,500 today? Absolutely. 1965 Lincoln Premier, located in Lincoln, NE, valued at $9,500. This rust-free, driver-quality classic is a total steal. It runs, drives, and sits on fresh cocoa white walls. Sure, it has a few dents and the wipers need work, but the electric windows actually roll. Back in '56, this heavy chrome luxury barge went head-to-head with Cadillac for American luxury supremacy compared to the silent, AI-driven electric pods we commute in today. This massive Lincoln offers a refreshingly raw, mechanical presence. If you crave an analog driving connection and unmatched vintage charm, without spending a fortune, this solid survivor is an amazing find. 1970 Pontiac Catalina, located in Holton, KS, valued at $15,000. This classic Pontiac brings back a thunderous, unfiltered presence that is practically extinct today. Let's check out this specific listing. This 4-door hardtop packs a massive 400 cubic inch V8 engine. It looks stunning with a custom green metallic paint job and a great shaped, black vinyl top. It sits aggressively on 18-inch Rider wheels, features modern LED headlights, and sounds mean thanks to an aftermarket exhaust. The seller is super honest too, noting just a small tear on the driver's seat and a spot on the dash. Back in '72, the Catalina was built to effortlessly cruise the highways, battling heavyweights like the Chevy Impala and Ford Galaxy. This analog beast is refreshingly mechanical and alive. For $15,000, pictures really don't do this car justice. It's a beautifully done head-turner that hides absolutely nothing. Would you cruise in this green machine today? Let me know down in the comments. 1956 Studebaker President, located in Wichita, KS valued at $14,000. Just look at this classic beauty, with its distinct, European-inspired front fascia and sweeping lines. This isn't just an old car, it's a rolling piece of art that instantly transports you back to the golden age of American chrome. It's rocking the legendary 289 cubic inch sweepstakes V8 engine, delivering that deep, mechanical rumble you just can't get from today's silent electric vehicles. With its classic automatic transmission, two-tone paint job, and a beautifully preserved interior, this is a remarkably honest time capsule. Back in '56, the President was Studebaker's premium flagship model. It was built to go head-to-head with heavy hitters like the Chevy Bel Air and the Ford Fairlane. So, is it worth adding to your garage in 2026? Absolutely. Finding a complete, running President today is getting incredibly rare. This is a phenomenal buy. 1983 Chevrolet Malibu, located in Healy, KS, valued at $6,000. Today, we're checking out a remarkably clean survivor in a world full of silent, overcomplicated electric pods. This classic Chevy offers a pure, unfiltered driving experience that's getting almost impossible to find. Let's look at the details from this Kansas listing. Priced at a negotiable $6,000, it's not a concours show car, but it's an incredibly solid cruiser that has been driven cross-country. It's completely original, right down to the factory AM radio. It boasts a brand new at-sea compressor blowing ice cold and a freshly rebuilt HVAC panel. Sure, the speedometer cable needs replacing, but finding an unbutchered G-body like this is extremely rare today. Back in the 80s, the Malibu was GM's ultimate rear-wheel drive daily driver, competing with cars like the Ford Fairmont. Today, compared to numb, tech-heavy modern cars, this old-school classic is the perfect blank canvas. So, is it worth $6,000? Absolutely. Whether you keep it as a reliable daily cruiser or use it as the perfect platform for an LS swap. 1978 Dodge Magnum, located in Ulp, KS, valued at $13,500. Is the 1978 Dodge Magnum still the ultimate personal luxury muscle car in 2026? Today, we're looking at a stunning RET tribute. This classic moper brings back the raw, unfiltered V8 rumble that we all desperately miss. Priced at a very reasonable $13,500. This beast is incredibly rare. It's one of just 2,344 built with a factory power sunroof. Originally a 360 car, it's been upgraded with a date-correct 400 cubic inch V8 and a 727 torque flight transmission, breathing through an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb and a Flowmaster dual exhaust. It sounds absolutely mean, with beautiful 2019 paint, louvered windows, and a fully working AM, FM 8-track player. It's a rolling time capsule. Back in '78, the Magnum replaced the legendary Charger to battle heavyweights like the Chevy Monte Carlo and Ford Thunderbird. It perfectly blended muscle car attitude with traditional landyacht luxury. In 2026, finding a sorted, rust-free moper project for under 15 grand is a total steal. It's heavy, it's loud, and it's gloriously analog. 1979 Nissan 280ZX, located in Odell, valued at $23,000. Today, we're looking at an absolute stunner from the golden era of Z cars. In a year where modern sports cars are bloated and heavily digitized, this classic Nissan brings back the raw, unfiltered joy of driving that we desperately miss. It's not just a classic, it's a blue-on-blue tie machine. Let's dive into this listing out of Odell, Iowa, priced at $23,000. This is an incredible find, showing an unbelievably low 56,456 original miles. Underneath, it features the highly desirable manual transmission, perfectly complementing the gorgeous blue exterior and matching blue interior. The seller emphatically states it's in mint condition, and even left a very direct serious buyers only message to make a good deal. Back in 1979, this first-year 280ZX marked Nissan's shift from a raw sports car to a refined, comfortable Grand Tourer. It went head-to-head with the Porsche 924 and the Mazda RX-7. It isolates you in style but connects you directly to the asphalt. So, is it worth 23 grand today? Absolutely. Finding a pristine, low-mileage manual 280ZX is incredibly rare in 2026. It's a beautiful weekend cruiser that rewards you with every single shift. Would you take this blue-on-blue legend for a Sunday drive? Let me know in the comments. 1972 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, located in Lamar, CO valued at $16,000. This classic piece of British royalty brings back a level of handcrafted elegance that is practically extinct today. It's not just a car, it's a rolling country club. Let's dive into the details from this specific marketplace listing out of Lamar, Colorado. For a recently dropped asking price of just $16,000, you're getting a clean title piece of history. Under the hood is the legendary 6.75-litre V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The seller notes the interior still has that classic wood trim and leather in good shape. It's an honest, solid driver. And the ride? It rides super smooth and feels like you're floating down the road. Plus, it's an absolute attention magnet. Expect people to roll their windows down and ask questions at gas stations. Back in '72, the Silver Shadow was completely revolutionary. It was their first unibody car, built to go head-to-head with heavyweights like the Mercedes-Benz 600 Grosser and the Cadillac Fleetwood. But the Rolls offered a whisper-quiet, cloud-like ride that its rivals simply couldn't touch. Compared to the massive, screen-heavy luxury SUVs of 2026, sitting behind this thin steering wheel surrounded by real bold walnut feels incredibly special and tactile. So, is it worth 16 grand in 2026? If you want something unique in the garage that's perfect for weekend cruising, weddings, or photo shoots, absolutely. 1980 Fiat 140 to Pininfarina Edition, located in Torrington, WY valued at $7,000. It's not just a car, it's a piece of rolling Italian art designed by the legendary Pininfarina. This beautiful yellow sports car is an absolute steal. It has an incredibly low 68,340 actual miles. Under the hood, you'll find a peppy fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine paired with a true 5-speed manual transmission. It's been garage kept, sits on brand new tires, and is in very good running condition. Back in the day, the Fiat 124 Spider went head-to-head with British rivals like the MGB and the Triumph Spitfire, but the Fiat stood out with its advanced dual overhead cam engine and a much smoother 5-speed gearbox compared to the heavy, tech-loaded sports cars of 2026. This analog roadster feels refreshingly light, tactile, and connected directly to the road. So, is it worth 7 grand today? Absolutely.